The Zigzag House, a dream home for a young couple with limited means, was born from a desire for simplicity and affordability. Architecturally, the house was designed as a modular structure, allowing for phased construction and easy adaptation to future needs. The concept of three distinct blocks, service, social, and intimate, arranged in a zigzag pattern not only maximized space, but also created a dynamic and visually appealing design. One of the standout features of the Zigzag House is the winter garden, a glass-enclosed space that connects the social and intimate blocks. This area, bathed in natural light, serves as a tranquil retreat while also providing privacy to the bedrooms. The gourmet balcony, located at the intersection of the social and service blocks, extends from the roof and offers stunning views of the pool terrace. This space seamlessly integrates leisure, dining, and socializing, making it the heart of the home. To ensure efficient construction and reduce costs, the architects opted for a metal structure and a single-story design. The lightweight aluminum sandwich-type roof not only provided thermal and acoustic comfort, but also added a sense of lightness to the overall architecture. The twisted roofline, with its varying heights, further emphasized the metal structure and created a unique visual effect. To address the risk of flooding, the house was raised on a metal structure supported by concrete footings. This elevated design not only protected the home from rising waters, but also added a distinctive architectural element. Inside, the interior slope of the roof was maintained, and peroba wood paneling was used throughout the living spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The Zigzag House is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and resourcefulness. With its modular structure, innovative use of space, and sustainable materials, this home offers a comfortable and stylish living experience while remaining true to the couple's original vision of a simple, affordable, and beautiful dwelling.